ChatGPT reached 1 million users in just 5 days, faster than Instagram, faster than TikTok, faster than any product in history. But here's the bigger question. What secrets made ChatGPT successful, and how can you use the same strategy to start your own business? Welcome to Arenigma, the channel where we reveal hidden company strategies and give you practical startup ideas. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe right now and hit the bell icon so you never miss these powerful success stories and business tips. In 2015, Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and a small team founded OpenAI. Their mission? To create AI that benefits all humans. At first, OpenAI was just a small research lab, but in November 2022, they launched ChatGPT, and boom, the world changed overnight. Why? Because ChatGPT solved a real problem. People wanted instant answers, creative help, and natural conversations with AI. Now let's reveal the success secrets of ChatGPT. Secret 1. Freemium strategy. ChatGPT was free for everyone. Once people got hooked, OpenAI launched a premium plan for $20 a month. Secret 2. Viral marketing. No big ad budgets. Instead, YouTubers, TikTokers, and bloggers promoted ChatGPT for free. Secret 3. Strong partnerships. Microsoft invested billions, integrating ChatGPT into Office, Bing, and Teams, giving it global reach. Secret 4. Branding. A simple, friendly name, ChatGPT, instantly recognizable as the face of AI. Secret 5. Continuous innovation. From GPT-3 to GPT-4 to GPT-5, OpenAI kept upgrading so competitors could never catch up. But the road was not easy. Running ChatGPT costs nearly $700,000 per day. Critics said it spreads bias and misinformation, and Google, Meta, and Anthropic launched rival AI tools. How did OpenAI survive? With Microsoft's money, strong safety teams, and non-stop innovation. So what can you learn from ChatGPT's journey? Lesson 1. Give free value first. Lesson 2. Design for viral sharing. Lesson 3. Solve a real, painful problem. Lesson 4. Grow through partnerships, not just ads. That's the success formula of ChatGPT. Free value, smart marketing, real problem solving, partnerships, and constant innovation. You don't need billions like OpenAI. Even small startups can use these strategies today. So, which company's secrets should I reveal next? Apple, Zomato, Reliance Jio? Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arenigma for more business success stories and startup ideas. See you in the next video.